Here's how to delete all emails in Gmail. First, you can go to this More tab and click on it. And if you scroll down a little, you'll see All Mail. So we're going to click on All Mail. Doesn't matter the category, anything like that. This is All Mail. So right now I have 419 emails. If I click on this box right here, it'll select all 50 on this page. And then this pop-up here allows me to select all 419. So when I click on that, they're all selected. Then I can go click this trash can icon. And it's going to say, do you want to delete all 419? This is a bulk delete action in Gmail. Yes. So I'll hit OK. Now it's going to delete some. And then this little pop-up down here, you'll see it says it may take longer depending on how many conversations are selected. So it could take a few minutes. I mean, if you have 10,000 emails, it's going to take a little bit. I did recently delete about 2,000 emails, and it took about 2 minutes. So maybe it's 1 minute per 1,000, who knows. But here in a minute, you'll see this screen just disappear because it'll have deleted everything. There we go. So all the emails just disappeared, and that took about a minute and a half to delete those 400. So now I literally don't have any mail. And that's how you can clear everything out. You can do the same thing in the trash can too. If you go down to the trash, drop this down just below all mail, you'll see trash. And you can do the same thing here. Just click empty trash now. And so that is how to delete all your email here on Gmail. And if you find any stragglers, you can use the same process to delete out anything else from any other folders.